Alright guys, we are going to go ahead and try to actually go through some of your assignment today. I won't be really giving you the answers, but just kind of helpful hints as you solve these. So 1 and 2 are asking you to determine whether each relation is a function and explain it. So if you look back at your notes, you're basically trying to determine if every x value has exactly one y value. So I see my 1 is paired with a 0, 2 is paired with a 2, 4 is paired with a 4, 3 is paired with a 6. So if every x value has its own individual y value, then you would go ahead and say that it has direct variation, and the explanation is because each x value is paired with exactly one y value. If it doesn't have direct variation, so if one of these, if you saw 1 with a 0 and then a 1 with a 2, then you would say there is no direct variation because there is an x value paired with two y values. The next lesson, I asked you guys to find 4 solutions of each equation and then write them as ordered pairs. So what I'd want you to do here, this is where we would do like that T-chart, and we put an X, and a Y, and hopefully it'll zoom in. And then I asked you guys to use the numbers -1, 0, 1, and 2. So you're going to plug this into X, solve it. So -1 times 4 is -4, and that is what y is. So you get a -4. Then make sure you rewrite these over in the ordered pairs. You're going to do the same thing for number 4. Number 5, I'm going to fold down the paper a little bit so we can see it better. Number 5, it says graph the equation, this one right here, and I want you to use the y-intercept and the x-intercept. So if you guys can remember, the x-intercept is when y equals 0, and the y-intercept is when x equals 0. So you could take, to find the x-intercept, take and plug 0 in for y. So we'd have 0 equals x minus 4. And I would add 4, cancel, and 4 equals x. So my x-intercept would be 4 for the x, and y is always equal to 0.